In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. In this video, we are going to see about the objectives of cost accounting. The first objective of cost accounting is ascertainment of cost. It enables the management to ascertain the cost of product, job, contract, service or unit of production so as to develop cost standard. Cost may be ascertained under different circumstances using one or more type of costing principles like standard costing, marginal costing, uniform costing, etc. The second objective of cost accounting is fixation of selling price. Cost data are useful in the determination of selling price or quotations. Apart from cost ascertainment, the cost accountant analyzes the total cost into fixed and variable cost. This will help the management to fix the selling price, sometimes below the total cost but above the variable cost. This will increase the volume of sales, more sales than previously, thus leading to maximum profit. The scientific way of reducing the price is possible in an industry only where a sound costing system exists. In other words, cost reduction in the absence of costing system may cause to shut down the industry. The third objective of cost accounting is cost control. The object is to minimize the cost of manufacturing. Comparison of actual cost with the standards. If the variants are adverse, the management enters into the investigation so as to adopt corrective action immediately. The next one is matching cost with revenue. The determination of profitability of each product, each process, each department is the important object of costing. The fifth one of the object is special cost studies and investigation. It undertakes special cost studies and investigations, and these are the basis for the management in decision making or policy making. This will also include pricing of new product, concentration or expansion programs, closing down or continuing a department, product mix, price reduction in dispersion, etc. The last one is preparation of financial statement, profit and loss account, and also the balance sheet. To prepare these statements, the value of the stock, work in progress, finished goods are essential. In the absence of costing department, when we have to close the accounts, it rather takes too much of time. But a good costing system facilitates the preparation of the statement as the figures are easily available. They can be prepared monthly or even weekly. Thank you.